Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now Enjin coin holders, you can't believe that how much this important for all of you. This is the emergency update. Never miss and keep watch till the end, and also make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. First of all, in this video we discuss the latest price update, and after that we discuss what will be the next move coming soon and the Enjin coin. My friends, the latest price of the Enjin coin at this time in the market is 1.32 USD dollar. That is the latest price update of the Enjin coin in the market, 1.32 USD dollar. And on the other side, if we talk about the pricing of the Enjin coin, so the pricing is going positive. That's another good news for all series Enjin coin holders, my friends. Now at this time the 5 coin is only positive in the market, except of the 5 coin, the cryptocurrencies whole cryptocurrencies market is going down, going negative, my friends. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin and Shiba is going wrong, my friends, at this time. So that is why I tell that is a good news for all Enjin coin holders, that now the both changes you can see here, last 1 hour and last 1 day, the both changes is going positive. So congratulations. And only the last 1 weekend pricing is negative, but I hope with the passage of time the last 1 week pricings will become be positive, my friends. Don't worry about that. Just enjoy, my friends. It's time to celebration. The Enjin coin is going positive. Let's see the price chart and let's try to detect the next. Oh my god. My friends, at this time my prediction about Enjin coin is going wrong. That is the last 3 days price chart of the Enjin coin, and the price is going down in the last 3 days. Negative 9.8% the price of Enjin coin is going down. And my friends, at this time my prediction about Enjin coin is going wrong, and my prediction is that, my friends, that there are the chances, my friends, maybe the price pump, but in the next 3 days my prediction is that the price of Enjin coin is going down. In the next 3 days, maybe price pump, but we can't say about the future. But my prediction and my technical analysis still is that the price in the next 3 days, there is chances to the price falls down. But my friends, you have to patience, you have to hold. If you hold, so absolutely you will get a profit. Maybe after and tomorrow they will take a jump. We can't say about the future, but that's only my prediction. And after 3 days, there is a confirm that Enjin coin will take a jump. So that is why I recommend for everyone at this time it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Enjin coin? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.